Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to swap, trade or convert the Australian dollar into USDT on Binance. The Australian dollar is also known as AUD, and with that being said, let's hop right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Binance and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to Markets in the top left. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page, you want to go over to Fiat Markets, and then you want to go over to the search bar and search for AUD USDT. You'll then see this pair, and you'll need to click on it. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and you need to go over to the place order section. Now, if you're using the Pro layout, this will be on the right side of your screen, and if you're using the default layout, this will be in the middle of your screen, down at the bottom. You'll then need to go over to Sell and click on Market. Now, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of Australian dollar or AUD you want to convert into USDT. And once you've filled in the amount, you can click on Sell AUD. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.